The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated premium foldable phones of summer 2026, with multiple leaks pointing toward July or possibly August. Launch at a Samsung Unpacked event, followed by retail availability later that month, continuing Samsung's established yearly schedule for its Fold series. Expect the design to be refined rather than radically changed, with a large foldable OLED internal display, around 8.2 inches with 120 Hz, and a capable cover screen for everyday use. Under the hood, it's widely believed to be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or similar top-tier chipset, paired with plenty of RAM and storage, while the battery is rumored to grow to around 4,800 to 5,000 mAh with 45W wired and 15W wireless charging. The camera system may include a 200MP primary sensor with additional ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, giving it serious imaging credentials for a foldable. On the software side, it's expected to launch with Samsung's latest One UI based on Android 16 or newer, improving multitasking, AI features, and productivity on a larger screen. Overall, the Z Fold 8 is shaping up to be a more powerful, refined, and productivity-focused foldable flagship aimed at enthusiasts and professionals alike.